The word we'll be learning in this section is chiku, which you will often hear in contexts like geography lessons, urban planning discussions, or when someone tries to describe the layout of a city. For example, the shopping district or residential area. The word ku means area or district. It is used to describe a particular geographic location or a division within a city or town in Japan. This can refer to neighborhoods, communities, or specific regions. When you think of a ku in Japan, imagine a part of the city that's recognized for its own unique characteristics or administrative functions. The first kanji means earth or ground and often refers to a place or locality. In words like chizu and chika, this kanji gives the sense of location or the physical ground. You can think of it as pointing to where something is or the land itself. The second kanji means a ward or district and is used to divide areas into sections. In words like kubetsu and kuyakusho, this kanji brings the idea of administrative or conceptual boundaries. It helps show how things are separated or organized into zones. There is a park in this district. この地区には公園があります。この地区には公園があります。This area is quiet. この地区は静かです。この地区は静かです。The new district is quiet. 新しい地区は静かです。新しい地区は静かです。This district is quiet. この地区は静かです。この地区は静かです。The most common synonyms of ku are stai, which means zone or belt, often referring to a broader stretch of land, and chiki, which is similar to region and is used for larger, often rural areas. Ku can be more specific, often used within city contexts. The most common antonyms of ku are chushin, which means center or central area, often referring to the heart or core part of something, and honbu, which means headquarters, focusing on the main or central organizational point, contrasting with the segmented nature of ku.